Huh?
Oh, good gravy! Yahoo!
Come on, man.
Wow! Congratulations!
Nice, nice.
Hello, cutie pie.
Come on!
Hey, what happened? Hooray! Question mark? Roar, niemand boeit.
Yeah, let's go. Better another day.
Okay.
Next time, be sure to keep me in mind. Remember that I am the bravest of the four.
Okay.
Oh, yeah!
Easy game. Wow, amazing! Come on, step it up. Okay, let's go. Fantastic.
I love it! I got an idea! Let's go!
Oh, yeah! Here we go! Bye, have a great time. Whoa, amazing!
Hello, chubby boy. Now you're jumping plummy just like I like it.
You're a great team.
Yeah!
Stop the cow.
Better another day.
Hey, what happened?
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How could you not tell me that Rod and my sister? We're not friends anymore?
Uh-oh.
No way. You and I are not friends anymore.
Nope.
Ah!
Hooray! Question mark? Nice. Yahoo!
I got an idea.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Come on, step it up.
Right.
Bye. Oh no.
We're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bror, niemand boeit!
Wow! Congratulations!
Beautiful, Katie. I love it.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Thanks, Pally.
Let's go, let's go.
Bye, have a great time.
I am ready to put on a show.
Here I
Whoa! Amazing! My God, are you still talking?
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Oh no! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. We're in trouble now.
Wow!
Sunshine, good morning. Ja, adesso mi devo riadattare, ma anche in terra, sai? Ja, ma che mi devo... Ja, ma vedete che sono meglio da... Okay.
Go, go, go!
愛情おいしく料理してやるぜいっぱいおいしくしてやるぜ Oh yes! Bye bye! Oh, das ist eine gute Wurst. Ja, das haben wir gedreht.
Good job!
Here we go!
Ja, man kann nicht immer... Ja, man wird nicht... Wow! Congratulations!
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
Going to get the kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some fun.
Bye! Okay.
Good job! Amazing! Ja, man vet inte vilken som är med i livet.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
$30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
We're in trouble now.
Here I go!
Woohoo! Whee!
Oh, hello. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
I got an idea.
Here we go!
Thanks, Pally!
Come on!
Okay, okay.
Here I go!
Wow!
Here we go!
Woohoo!
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time.
Hello, cutie pie.
Okay.
Wow! Amazing! Here we go!
Yahoo!
Oh, hello.
Here I go!
Okay.
Ta-da! Yahoo!
Bye.
Let's go, let's go.
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye bye. Woohoo! Oh yes!
Goodbye.
Yay! Oh no! Wow! Congratulations!
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, let's go!
Woohoo! Bye-bye! Wow! Congratulations! Yahoo!
Yes, you! I know you have Liz, but I want you to release her.
Bror, niemand boeit.
Hello, chubby boy. Now you're chubby and bubby just like I like it. Open up and say perfect landing.
Uh-oh.
You're a great team.
Yahoo! Whoa! Amazing!
Hey, what happened?
I got an idea.
Oh, hello!
Yaha!
Hooray!
Question mark?
Okay, let's go!
Bror, niemand boeit.
Come on, man.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Eisen, Eisen.
Hey, it's me, Goku.
Thanks, Pally.
Very good.
Okay.
Aha!
Wow! Congratulations!
Very good.
Come on, step it up.
Hooray! Question mark?
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Bye.
Here we go. Yeah.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
Let's go, let's go. I am ready to put on a show.
Hello, Ed boys. Any doors, yeah? Too much? Or couch potato Ed boys like yourself?
Hello, cutie pie.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yahoo!
Here I go.
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump.
Yay!
Hey, hey, hey!
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Go, go, go!
Okay, let's go.
Yay, yay!
Wow! Congratulations!
Thank you very much.
Whoa, amazing.
Yay, yay!
Okay, let's go.
Bye, have a great time.
Ta-da! Here we go.
Goodbye.
Wow! Congratulations!
Nice.
Hello, Ed boys. Any doors, yeah? Too much for... Yahoo! Come on! Whee!
Here we go.
Say what?
Oh no!
Wow.
Go, go, go!
Okay, okay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Thank you very much.
Whoa, amazing.
Bye.
Okay. Hey! Come on, come on. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Wow.
Bye, have a great time.
Nice, nice.
Oh yeah! Let's go, let's go.
Oh, yes! Go, go, go!
Here I go!
I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz? You're a great team.
Oh yeah!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
I took $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift for you. That's right. Come Oh, hello, chubby boy.
Okay, let's go!
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Come on!
You're a great team.
Oh yeah!
Bye.
Okay, let's go!
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Okay.
Right.
Good gravy!
Get in here, you little...
Too easy. Piece of cake.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello!
Wow! Congratulations! Yay!
Oh, hello, chubby boy. Now you're jumping, Bubby, just like I like.
Hey, what happened?
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Yahoo!
Uh-oh.
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hooray! Mark? Hey, what happened?
I got an idea.
Okay, let's go!
You're a great team.
Oh yeah!
Right.
Hey, it's me, Goku.
Okay.
What a beautiful child. Come here. I have a
Very good.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Whoa, amazing! Come on. Beautiful, Katie.
Wow! Congratulations!
Bye.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Respond to a 1017 due south.
Come on, man.
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Bror, niemand boeit.
Oh yeah!
Let's go.
Hooray! Question mark? Thanks, Pally.
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time.
Wow! Congratulations!
Huh?
Wow. Beautiful, Katie.
Good gravy.
Fantastic.
another day.
Yeah!
Huh?
Oh, come on!
Easy game.
Uh-oh!
I got an idea.
Here we go! Okay, let's go!
Watch out. Here I come.
Hooray!
Yeah, let's go.
Thanks, Pally.
Bye.
I love it. Ho ho!